Welcome to Paul Sherry RVs. This is Sean Frost coming to you on a walkthrough on a Forest River Vibe Extreme Light 258 RKS. Brand new floor plan, about as new as I am. It's going to be 29 feet 11 inches. This comes in Arctic exterior. The weight 5,016 pounds. Pretty lightweight. Power tongue jack, 220-pound LP tanks. Power stabilizer jacks as well. And there's very nice pass-through storage. The first thing I noticed about this is it can fit most chairs in there. So you're taking your chairs that are a little tough to fit in some of the other pass-through storages. This is almost double the size. Now, power awning. TV connections, black tank flush, radial tires, nitrogen filled, exterior speakers. The radio inside will play inside or outside. Your other stabilizer jack back here, spare tire. Couple more connections for the TV. Switchable water heater. This is gas or electric. There's your city water connection. And your holding tanks. Nice size slide. Freshwater connection. So there's the exterior and the beautiful Arctic color. Arctic. Alright, so first thing you probably notice is the stainless steel appliances here. Your oven, 3-burner stove, microwave. There's your fridge. Of course, it's automatically switchable. Nice looking countertop there. Double sink, pull down sprayer. It also stainless steel. These cabinets look very nice. Like the way the cabinets look. There's your sofa. Of course, this jackknifes out, allows you to sleep. Got some storage in the front. There's how the sofa will lay down. Now, this one has a really nice storage capacity. You got wardrobe, pantry type area. A couple more down there. And then here's your dinette. This will also fold out. Storage underneath. Sleeps 2 more. There's your overhead cabinets. And there's where your TV's going to go. AM, FM, DVD player. You have ducted air and ducted heat. Really helps it breathe, cools things down, heats things up. Also up here, fire detector, antenna, interior speakers, couple lights, course, this whole thing's a slide here. It is out. Move up to your bathroom. It's got the really nice shower. Skylight over the shower. There you go. Very high-end shower. Side-facing toilet. There's your fan, vent things out. Functional bathroom. Move up here to the bedroom. Sorry. Emergency exit. Some wardrobe closets. Some overhead storage. Oh, underneath here, more storage for your sheets, shoes, shirts, things like that. And from the front here to the back. There's how everything looks. Now, we're going to try to have the best prices in the country. We're located so close to Elkhart, Indiana. That gives us an advantage. We don't got to bring it too far when it comes in. There you have it. The Forest River Vibe Extreme Light 258 RKS. If you guys have any questions or concerns, call, email, chat in with us. Our phone number 937-778-5250. This has been Sean Frost with Paul Sherry RVs. Thank you for watching.
Shopping for an RV can be very difficult. There's so many makes and models to choose from. And how do you ever know if you're going to get a good deal on what you're buying? My name is Mike Sherry and I'm with Paul Sherry RVs. Our goal is to make your RV buying experience as fun and painless as possible, and of course, provide you with the best deal in the market. But don't take my word for it. Go online and read all of our reviews from happy customers of ours. Feel free to call, email, or chat into us with any questions you might have.